How was your parents की कैसे?
I wanted to get into this college in America.
How was your daily schedule?
Then you're already wasting all the fuel. I completely stopped drawing. There's something called monsoon fiesta. All-nighters बहुत सारे पुल करने पड़ते हैं. तो हर सेम के एंड में जूरी होती है. बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन रहता है when on the day of exam. तो one tip I would give to everyone is
जब भी हम डिजाइन कॉलेजेस की बात करते हैं तो एनआईडी हमेशा टॉप पे आता है. टुडे वी आर हैविंग अथर्व लोटके हु इज ऑल इंडिया रैंक 23 फ्रॉम एनआईडी अहमदाबाद. इस पॉडकास्ट के अंदर वी आर कवरिंग कि आप प्रीलिम्स के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, एज वेल एज अथर्व की जर्नी कैसी थी, उसकी जर्नी में क्या क्या अप्स एंड डाउन्स थे. एंड अगर यू फील कि यू आर नॉट इनफ फॉर एनआईडी तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इवन टॉपर्स लाइक अथर्व आल्सो फील द सेम. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनआईडी 2026, दिस पॉडकास्ट इज अ मस्ट वॉच बिकॉज इसके अंदर हमने प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी एज वेल एज टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी कवर कर रखी है. वॉच द पॉडकास्ट टिल द एंड. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके, हे अथर्व, हाउ आर यू?
hello, I'm doing good. भी जूरी प्रिपरेशन करेंगे. तो जूरी इज इन 1.5 week. तो yeah, not a lot of time.
नाइस है. आई एम ग्रेट टू. अभी फॉर दोज पीपल जिनको पता ही नहीं कि मैं कौन हूँ, आई एम दिवांश गोयल, आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ डाइवर्जिंग क्लासेस एंड वी हैव बीन इन दिस स्पेस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. कई सारे लास्ट ईयर रैंकर्स जॉइन आईआईटी बॉम्बे, एनआईडी अहमदाबाद एंड मल्टीपल डिजाइन कॉलेजेस. तो दिस इज अ पॉडकास्ट जिसके अंदर वी हैव ब्रॉट आवर मेंटर अथर्व. तो ही विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट हिज जर्नी. सारी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे. हाउ टू स्टार्ट प्रिपरेशन, अगर तुम अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, अबाउट हिज जर्नी. एंड we will be going in deep in this. ठीक है. Before we talk about NID, tell me about your journey. कैसे start हुआ? How did you got to know about NID? कैसे क्या? And where did your journey begin?
That is a great question. And my answer to that will be it started off the moment I picked up the pencil and drew my first line. It when I was a kid, I don't know if I should go this back, but I'll just quickly summarize that up. It's basically I started to draw, and my parents were like, "This is cool," and like I got a lot of validation for it. Social validation को chase करने के, like even at a very young age I started to like really appreciate कि मेरा काम कोई appreciate कर रहा है. तो I started to spend more time drawing, and then I got better because I spent more time, and then teachers would also appreciate that. उससे मेरे को थोड़ा validation मिलता था, right? It was one of the few things that stood out besides just academics. So
Same.
that is how it started, and slowly I discovered design, and then NID, and then ended up here. I did not know about NID specifically before I would say 7th 8th grade. उसके पहले I knew like बहुत surface level पे and what NID is in 8th grade, but like 9th 10th के around I was like ठीक है NID करना है. 10th के around I was like okay NID करना है. तो उसके पहले I wanted to be a concept artist. For people who don't know what concept art is, it is basically whatever movies and games and TV shows you see, उसका pre-production, मतलब उसका look कैसे रहेगा, उसके characters, environments कैसे रहेंगे. That is what it is. I wanted to do that, and slowly as I learned that from YouTube, I also discovered NID while I was doing that. So it was an accidental discovery, and yeah, that's how
And that is great. Similarly मेरे को तो बहुत बाद में चला डिजाइन फील्ड्स के बारे में. Eventually starting में even I had that same kick कि यार स्पोर्ट्स में और चीज़ में I was not very exceptional starting से. फुटबॉल तो चला I really later realized कि हाँ ठीक खेल सकते हैं. बट उससे पहले I was only good at drawing. And eventually मेरे को इतने मज़े भी नहीं आते थे when you know sometime एक बार हो जाता है कि like कि सब repetitive हो गया है. In drawing itself the process sometimes gets very repetitive. ठीक है. बट वही था कि appreciation and people used to appreciate कि यार इतना बढ़िया है and all, and that was the only one thing I was good at. तो वो self you identify yourself as an artist in a way.
Yeah,
that also
that's how it works for most of us.
makes sense. Nice. So even that is a even I for me as well accidentally I got to know about design. It's a very funny story. मैंने online अगर share नहीं करा है, ठीक है. I was looking to become a dentist, ठीक है, because it's BDS, उसमें भी डिग्री होती है. तो आई थॉट कि BDS देखते हैं, बिकॉज मेरे भैया वाला डेंटिस्ट, आई रियली एडमायर्ड हिम कि इतना हार्ड वर्क पुट इन करते हैं, एंड दे यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट टीथ्स लाइक इट वाज वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट देम. वो मेरे को उसमें लाइक दे यूज्ड टू स्कल्प द टीथ. जब नकली दांत बनता है तो डेंटिस्ट हैज टू स्कल्प दैट आउट, मेक इट अ रियलिस्टिक कॉपी एंड इमेजिन करना होता है. तो दैट लुक मी अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग जॉब लगा कि यार यू हैव टू स्कल्प दैट आउट, एंड इट फेल्ट रियली कूल एट दैट टाइम. I thought कि ये मेरे को करना है and I will become something like this. But exploring BDS, I got to know about design and all. And मेरे को 11th या 12th में I got to know about design. And I guess I 6 या 7 महीने 8 महीने I was the only one who was पूरे स्कूल में preparing. But some of my friends joined in and एक दो ने join करा. Some of my friends even joined the same college. तो काफी exciting journey थी eventually.
But great.
In that journey, yeah, I realized कि यार बहुत सारी चीजें missing है. And we can bridge the gap while creating an space for designers. तो वहाँ से भी content नहीं सब ये start हुई. Other than that, what was that moment you realize कि यार I want to choose design. ठीक है, वैसे we discussed that, but still like did you ever had any self doubt, insecurity in the beginning कि while choosing design, because हमारे आसपास there are not so many examples, right? कि जिन्होंने डिजाइन में कोई करियर बनाया हो, या फिर इवन पेरेंट्स आर नॉट सो श्योर अबाउट कि डिजाइन होता क्या है, राइट? अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू कि व्हेन यू से आई वांट टू डू डिजाइन, देयर आर ओनली वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु कैन सेपरेट और सपोर्ट यू. लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो अबाउट फैशन डिजाइन, बट द डिजाइन यू वांटेड टू डू, हाउ वाज योर पेरेंट्स की कैसे कितने सपोर्टिव थे, एज वेल एज डिड यू एवर हैड मोमेंट्स ऑफ सेल्फ डाउट?
Again, a very great question, and I think a lot of people might relate to this as well. So that's nice that you asked. In my case, both my parents are doctors. My mom is a dentist. Obviously, there was expectation for me to do that as well, but it was never too much. कि मतलब तुम्हें सिर्फ medical ही करना है, ऐसा कभी नहीं था. So I was lucky to have parents that were supportive. Also, I think the problem that most parents have, they don't want to not support you, they just want you to be safe. So if you show them that whatever path you are choosing is a logical answer, and if you show them numbers ki people coming out of these institutes or people doing these jobs are making this much money, and there is job security in some cases, and people are making a good living, then उनका जो टेंशन होता है 90% ऑफ इट वहाँ पे खत्म हो जाता है. द रेस्ट 10% इज जस्ट कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, वो तो तुम बात करके सुधार सकते हो. बट इट्स जस्ट कि व्हेन आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग, I remember making a PPT style presentation for my parents कि this is what I want to do, this is how much people are making, and these are the colleges that I want to go get into. So there was a lot of support after that from my parents, and they were also like कि ठीक है, he knows what he is doing. It's not ऐसा कि जब बच्चा 3rd 4th grade में होता है and he says कि I want to be an astronaut. Like there's obviously it is a kid, but like there's no basis for that answer. But for a more well-rounded answer, which was in my case, I think parents will get convinced.
Did you ever had a self doubt कि यार मेरा अगर NID में नहीं हुआ तो, या फिर इवन कि इज इवन डिजाइन अ गुड करियर फॉर माई सेल्फ, या फिर यू आर वेरी श्योर अबाउट क्या डिजाइन ही करना है जो करना है, इट्स समथिंग आई हैव दिस कॉलिंग एंड आई फिगर्ड इट आउट?
या तो what happened was कि मेरा मैथ बहुत गंदा था. साइंस was also really bad. I did not enjoy it at all, and I knew कि मेरे से नहीं होगा मेडिकल. And again, I had a basis of drawing, and because I was I liked to do it, I had researched about it पहले ही. तो उसमें these career options like concept art, like visual development, storyboarding, ये सब मेरे को पता चले. And then I wanted to get into this college in America called Art Center College of Design.
Yeah.
I think we talked about this, but
Yeah, exactly.
I was like 10th grade में मेरे को यही चाहिए था कॉलेज कि 11th 12th कर दूंगा, 11th 12th में अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड करूंगा, एंड देन उसके बाद आई विल गेट इनटू दिस कॉलेज. बट over that journey I realized कि the amount of money they are asking from us, versus the return the value they are providing, it's not proportional, right? बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लेके they are providing a lot of value, but it's not worth it. It's too much. But you can get the same, I won't say same, but around similar value, 80% of the result in the 20% effort, which is the 20% money that we give here at NID. So
Makes sense.
that was something that struck and helped me to go from just wanting to do design and wanting to get into specific college to this NID preparation journey, which I did for 2 years, 11th and 12th.
And that is actually my next question कि how was your preparation journey? कैसे था, कैसे सोचा, as well as even because in every aspirant, like how much faith did you have in yourself? What was your role of your mentors? या जो भी था, like how was your journey from 11 to 12th?
Again, another great question. I am not from a big city. From a slightly small or middle town, I would say, in Maharashtra. So we did not have any design coaching in my town. So I had to move out or I had to do online. ठीक है? And I wanted to have that exposure of moving out as well. So I chose to go to Pune, and वहाँ पे I enrolled in a coaching. And over the 2 years, the biggest learning for me was living in a hostel and trying to survive on my own. That was, I think, the biggest journey, biggest learning, I would say, that helped me after coming here as well. So for people who are still in 10th 11th, I would say if you have an option of moving out and living on your own in a hostel or a PG, or like just living outside your house, I would say go for it, because that just opportunity of going out and doing things on your own will teach you a lot that just staying at house might not suit in some cases.
How did you get started? And you talked about कि you went into a place and वहाँ पे जाके you prepared. So how was your daily schedule and कैसे क्या था during your preparation? How much hours did you put in? कैसे क्या था?
So one great thing was that Mera coaching was not every day. So it was only Saturday, Sunday coaching tha, and then they would give an assignment on Sunday, and then I had the entire 5 days to complete that assignment and do my own work as well. तो मैं जिस कॉलेज में गया था उसमें अटेंडेंस was for namesake 75%, but I remember only attending 5 to 6 lectures over the 2 years. So I would spend the entire day working on my own design projects. So again, one more tip I would like to give, I just insert it, is that have these design projects that will fuel you through your preparation journey. तो क्या होता है कि when you're preparing, a lot of the time what happens is you're solving all these mocks, you're solving all these questions, you're learning all these fundamentals, but कभी कभी थोड़ा डिज़ाइन ब्लॉक, आर्ट ब्लॉक आ जाता है, थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी आ जाता है कि वही सेम चीज़ कर करके. So for that, to fuel your creativity, I would say have these side projects. So I did multiple side projects which did not have a final product, but I think over that I learned a lot. I was writing a novel, an illustrated novel. I was also making a 3D environment model of Ravan's Lanka. So I had spent a lot of time in that. But all these side projects I also used in my portfolio when I applied for private colleges as well. So having these side projects really helped me through the journey. So I would say I would spend 50% of my time doing these side projects, and then the rest 50 I would spend into the preparation wala part. So
Makes sense.
that is how it went.
Yeah.
I did not prepare very actively in 11th grade. 11th grade में 80% of my time was spent in these side projects. But 12th में I had to slowly prepare more for the exam. ऐसा नहीं है कि you'll need to spend 2 years doing this. I know people who have spent 2 months just before the exam, and they're here with me, and they're like great people. So it's not about just how much time you spend, it's about what you have to offer.
One more thing, like did you ever had any breakdowns या फिर ऐसे point जब तुम्हें लगा कि यार अब तो I should give up. I am not, मेरे से नहीं होगा. या फिर you can also tell something about your friends जिन्होंने maybe ऐसा सोचा and some story that someone who's thinking क्या मेरे से नहीं होगा can relate to or resonate to.
Definitely. So I faced this exact issue in the worst time possible, which is 1 month before the exam,
Oh no.
which is abhi, I think, the time we are recording. So 2 years back, I was very sad because वही सेम चीज़ें कर रहा था, वही मॉक्स दे रहा था, and somehow I thought the growth was not that much. Maybe I was not getting the best grades. Maybe I was putting too many eggs in one basket कि अगर NID नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, because मैंने यूसीड पहले दिन से, जैसे मैंने बोला कि मैथ साइंस में से नहीं होता, तो आई न्यू कि मेरे को IIT में नहीं जाना है because it's more industrial design focused. I knew I wanted to do animation. तो वही था कि am I doing something wrong by putting all my eggs in one basket? So that insecurity was definitely there. But I think a major part of it not affecting me too much was again these side projects, and what they taught me was that I should put design before NID, meaning my goal should not be to get into NID, it should be to become the best designer I can become. And if you have that goal from day one, it will not matter if you get into NID or not. तो while I was preparing मैंने एक शेर सुना था, तो it went something like this कि तू नहीं कोई और सही, कोई और नहीं कोई और सही, बड़ी लंबी है ज़मीं मिलेंगे लाख हंसी, इस ज़माने में सनम तू अकेली तो नहीं, तू नहीं कोई और सही, कोई और नहीं कोई और सही. तो that I mean people would relate to other things, but I related that to NID, and because of that one mindset shift कि ठीक है नहीं हुआ तो it's okay, I'll do something great with my life. That confidence helped me get better ideas when I was giving my exam.
Makes sense.
So it's very counterintuitive कि you stop caring about it so much and then it cares about you. So it's something like that.
Yeah. Eventually, you know what? Throughout so many podcasts, like talking to people like just like you, toppers and all, I've also realized कि हर किसी की, the real, freedom कह सकते हैं या फिर real, when they start, excelling in life happens, या फिर excelling in the exam happens when they stop caring. Even a lot of people, या फिर जो लोग तुम देख रहे होगे, you must be comparing yourself with कि यार I'm not that good enough. There are people जो उनसे बहुत अच्छा ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, उनका बेटर टाइम मैनेजमेंट है या फिर जो भी चीज़ है, राइट? बट जस्ट have faith in you कि यार you will be able to do it. Just be consistent and give it your 100%. At the end of the day, you won't have any regrets, even if you're not able to get that dream college. But अगर हो जाता है तो it's good enough. Eventually, having your calm in this exam is very very important. And design, अच्छे ideas आ ही नहीं सकते under pressure. So letting go of that pressure and expectation is very important. During this preparation journey, did you ever feel कि yes, I might be able to, actually crack an ID now? ऐसा भी हुआ था क्या?
There were times where I felt that, and then right after a few weeks, उसका पूरा वो destroy हो गया था. But I think right after giving my prelims, I thought नहीं होगा.
Okay.
And I had a good rank. मेरा 34 आया था rank prelims के बाद. And then while I was preparing for mains, I had that mindset shift जो मैंने बोला अभी कि not caring too much about the results, just doing the process. And then while I was preparing for mains, I was like हो जाएगा. And then eventually grade मेरा अच्छा गया. It was 25 AR 25 or 23. I keep forgetting. It was something like that.
Makes sense. तो यार it is मतलब eventually I think your journey, मतलब काफी लोग है ना, they glorify कि यार toppers तो कुछ अलग ही होंगे या फिर they come from a different place. भाई aliens नहीं है कुछ. They also have their ups and downs. ठीक है, हर कोई, and in this field I would say कि most of the 99% of the people are just normal. Just you and me, right? So eventually everyone have their fair share of doubts. तुम अगर अभी stress feel कर रहे हो, anxiety feel कर रहे हो, तो यार ये लोग भी उस time पे feel कर रहे थे, and you just feel that कि अगर अथर्व कर पाया या फिर ये अंकित कर पाया, other mentors were able to do that what you want to do, so you can do too. ठीक है? So just stay in the game, keep practicing, and practicing से one question is there कि what all exercises help you to improve your drawing या creativity, ideation? Do you want to drop in some something that can actually help designers and
Yeah.
people who are watching?
Yeah, definitely. तो उसमें भी there are parts which is part A, part B है, but I think it is just more important to in the first stage of your preparation. If you're starting from 11, then if you have 2 years or even 1 year, I think 6 months of it you can spend learning just learning design. Instead of focusing purely on the type of questions that come in NID part A, part B, I would say spend at least a month or 2 just trying to learn design. मतलब ऐसा
Yes.
समझो कि NID doesn't exist and now you have to learn design on your own and get a job. And if you use that mindset, उससे अगर तुम सीखोगे, उससे अगर तुम projects करोगे ना, then all of the learnings from that will lead into more unique observations and more unique outcomes when you give your final exam. I'll explain that with an example. Ki let's assume there are some product design questions. For people who are just preparing for NID, there is a set template that they might follow for the composition and for the type of products that they might make and even the type of ideation that they will do. But if you have a background of just design, as in wanting to learn design from coming from a design enthusiast, the type of ideation you will do, like you'll incorporate mind maps, you'll incorporate thumbnails, you'll do iterations of the same design, you'll have these observations and you'll have them on the latter part of the paper जहाँ पे rough work करते हैं वहाँ पे. If you have that properly, then जो एग्जामिनर है उसको भी देख के पता चलता है कि this person is not just an NID aspirant but they want to learn design and they've gone out of their way to actually try and learn it. So I would say that is a big part of it.
Okay, asking more about that, what do you think कि जो examiner point of view से, what do the examiners see? कि even हमारी classes में as you're a mentor, right, you talk about this a lot. तो मैंने तो देखा हुआ है, but for the students who are watching you for the first time, what does the examiner see? कोई question का example लेके बता सकते हो या फिर you can tell कि now you're in the second year, right? So you might have an experience already, जो professors के साथ समझ के you understand कि उनका mindset क्या है about design and all. So would you like to drop in some advices in that sense कि कैसे सोचना चाहिए और how to ideate on some concept and all. Even also compare someone जो average student करता है, comparing that with the toppers mindset too.
Right. That is a very important distinction, I would say. कि मतलब it's not just the way you draw or the way you represent your answers. It's a majority of it is the way you think. कि you have to look at the question from a distance, as in actual paper को दूर से नहीं देखना, but look at it from a point of view कि why is it in the paper. So जब भी आएगा when you're in your exam hall attempting the paper, don't just see कि हाँ ठीक है product design पढ़ के then you start sketching and ideating. You should look at कि why are they asking this question. First, read the question properly. What is it that they want to take out of this question? Let's assume there was a question where you had to project a 2D pattern on a 3D object. ठीक है, उसमें तुम अच्छे से कलरिंग पेंट करके अलग अलग hatching मधुबनी style में whatever, doesn't matter, right? If you do that and spend 40 minutes on it, that is a waste of time and that is just so you have to understand ki what is the question demanding of you first and then answer it accordingly. If it is a product design question, then there should be a lot of ideation, a lot of mind mapping, a lot of sketching. If it is a storyboard question, your quality of your drawing, like your realism or rendering, it doesn't matter as much. What matters is the story that you want to tell. तो तुम्हारे स्टोरी के आइडिएशन, तुम्हारे थंबनेल कॉम्पोजिशंस, इफ देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ देम इन द रफ साइड ऑफ द एग्जाम पेपर, then that conveys कि this person has understood what the question is, what
Makes sense.
they want to take out of that, the examiner, and they have attempted it properly. तो that is very important. And I would say कि जो rough page होते हैं prelims and mains both के लिए, make sure तुम सारे pages को भर के आओ. And it doesn't mean कि अच्छे से अलग अलग पेन से लिखना है. It's not school का notes, right? This is just for your brain to just dump all of the stuff into that paper. So it's not just the final idea that the examiner will see. In that case, they will also see how your thought process is and what other ideations that you had cancelled and why you have done so. तो ये सब information if you are able to represent, then why are you leaving all of that on the table, right? So make sure you fill all of it. It doesn't need to be pretty. It needs to be just your own method of ideating. That's it.
Got it. Even when I asked you about the topper versus average person, उसके अंदर what do you think कि जो एक average person या फिर beginners हैं वो क्या ऐसी चीजें करते हैं that end up wasting a lot of time, या फिर जो भी as in your mentoring journey too you might have encountered a lot of students जो बिल्कुल ही गलत कर रहे थे, या फिर क्या क्या चीजें that you have found out in common कि usually the students या फिर जो first time prepare कर रहे हैं do these mistakes?
Definitely. A lot of the students work very hard, which is great, but they're working really hard on topics that don't really need to be worked hard upon. Meaning, matlab, if you look at any activity, there's this 80-20 rule. Your 20% efforts will lead to your 80% results. So a lot of people don't take that into consideration, and they just mindlessly solve questions, mindlessly solve mocks. And there are people who solve 10-20 mocks, but from mock 1 and mock 2, mock 10 tak, 10 or 20 tak, there's very little improvement. So there is very less reflection and thinking. So there's a lot of doing, but there's less reflection. Thinking तो मतलब क्लास में आइडिएशन एक दूसरे के साथ करके there's a lot of thinking happening, but that's not fruitful in a way where you're getting the results. But reflecting upon your attempts, कि अगर तुमने एक question solve किया, you're getting feedback on that, and you're actually reflecting on that feedback, mentor से, peer से, या फिर just if you attempt the question, चाय पी के अगर तुम फिर से अगर उस आंसर को देखोगे ना, then you'll also find errors in it. But the difference between someone who cracks and someone who doesn't is they spend time on actually fixing those errors. So how do they do that? They don't directly do the same attempt again, hoping that this time ये mistake नहीं होगा. They look at the question, look at their attempt, they identify the issues, obviously get feedback from others. ठीक है? They might list it down. They might also identify why this is happening. They'll go research, they'll watch YouTube videos, read books, ask for help, for specific help, not just कि भैया please review दे दो, right? Ask for specific help, get that help, consume that knowledge, try to incorporate what they have learned on a smaller scale first. Let's say if there's someone who's struggling with facial expressions, right? In their compositions, all their characters look the same and they don't have a lot of expression happening. So a not so smart person will just repeat that same answer again, hoping that this time ये नहीं होगा. But someone who actually thinks logically और जिसका crack हो गया है, that person will understand कि ठीक है expressions गलत हो रहा है. They will find reasons कि why is it happening? It's because all of my faces are looking the same and I have this one style that I cannot break out of. Okay. I will look at YouTube videos, I will read books on that specific topic. I might spend 3-4 hours on that. I will do that on a smaller scale, as in सिर्फ एक फेस को मैं ट्राई करूंगा अच्छे से बनाना. Once I'm done with that, I'll move on to the more complicated and then more complicated question. So it's very similar. Again, another analogy that I use in the class a lot of the times is the art of juggling. So if you want to learn how to juggle 10 balls, you won't directly start with 10 balls, right? You'll first learn how to catch one ball, then you'll add the other one, and slowly you'll proceed. So same logic you have to use in your preparation, is to actually reflect on the feedback, learn, invest time in actually getting more information and references, and then fixing those mistakes. तो ये मेथड से क्या होगा कि इट्स नॉट अ वन टाइम फ्लूक कि एक बार ठीक है रिपीट कर दिया वो स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन आई एम एबल टू आंसर, बट इफ आई एम आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन इन डिफरेंट मैनर आई वोंट बी एबल टू. That is someone who's just copy pasting in ratta style. That's how our education system works.
Makes sense.
But we don't want to do that, right? We want to fix actual problems. So even this mindset of fixing actual problems in your own preparation is a reflection of a good designer. कि तुम तुम्हारे खुद के skills में if you're able to identify and fix problems, then obviously you'll be able to use that method and apply it into real world problems and be the best designer. So anything that you do is basically preparation for NID. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं 6 घंटा प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ 4 घंटा. Even the things that you're observing around yourself, they are also part of the preparation. And how you're observing, are you making the best out of that time? That is where all of it is coming. I don't know if I'm just going off tangents, but yeah, I hope that helps.
नहीं काफी अच्छा था. Eventually even you talked about कि कैसे feedback is very important, right? And a lot of students do not understand कि वो feedback के पीछे भागते तो रहते हैं, but feedback apply तो कुछ नहीं करते. Like they ask कि feedback मिल जाए, but feedback will remain the same. And eventually someone who hasn't practiced a lot, वो feedback से they are looking for not for feedback, they're looking for validation.
Definitely.
Yeah, they get validated कि यार they're doing good and all, but eventually improvement does not happen in a week. It does not happen in a day. It takes time. It takes weeks. It takes hours of effort and all. So अगर तुमने effort डाला, you'll see that improvement, and as Athav said, reflecting back.
Yeah.
And obviously चाय पीना जरूरी नहीं है, कॉफी पी के भी reflect back कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
काफी लोग ऐसे होंगे who blindly support अथर कि हाँ भैया ने बोला चाय पी के reflect back करना है. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, you can do whatever you want.
Definitely. It's about I have heard this quote somewhere when I was watching another YouTube video about a similar topic. It was कि practice doesn't make perfect.
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect. As in your practice that you're doing, it should be smart work, not hard work, right? So it should be well structured, well thought out and logical.
Got it. Even when we talk about structure and कैसे क्या, तो there will be अभी exam काफी पास में है. A lot of students are feeling very lost. ठीक है, तो last 30 days में what would you suggest them कि अभी एक तो mindset wise कि mindset में क्या changes लाने चाहिए, as well as talking about कि if there is any certain things they should really focus on in a short way.
So if you're trying to pick up new topics that you have not picked up before, कि part A में there's infinite possibilities, infinite topics, and you might feel कि oh shit सिर्फ 30 days है and I've not studied these topics, there is a high chance that you trying to study them will lead to even less confidence. तो ऐसा I would say कि now is the revision period, and now is the period to slow down a little bit before you can accelerate to the max in your exam, right? तो अगर अभी तुम 8 घंटे drawing कर रहे हो, then you're already wasting all the fuel, and by the time you'll get into the prelims, you will not have a lot of energy and you will not have fuel and you won't be able to do so well. तो अभी ऐसा नहीं करना है कि गाड़ी पूरी बंद कर देनी है, which I did. ठीक है, मैं 1 month before prelims I completely stopped drawing. I was like मेरे से नहीं होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है ये सब, and which is why my rank dropped a little. I was expecting I would get in the first 10, but because थोड़ा ये हुआ इसलिए it did drop. But I would say keep your foot on the gas, but don't पूरा accelerate मत करो. Keep drawing, keep sketching, but also keep doing that. Keep doing things that you love. For example, if you like to watch movies, watch movies. If you like to read books, if you like to meditate, right, do all of that. Sports can help a lot. I used to play badminton every day when I was preparing. That helped to, come out of that preparation 24/7 mindset. And yeah, that would be the tip. And just
That's
mindset wise, I would say think of becoming the best designer you can become instead of just thinking कि oh my god NID में जाना है या फिर IIT में जाना है. That single mindset can be the making or breaking point, I would say.
makes sense.
Yeah, these things.
Adding to this, ठीक है, those who are preparing, अभी it's first week में what should you do is कि सबसे पहले अपने basics strong करो. Because a lot of you know starting out जिनके basics ही strong नहीं, they do not understand perspective properly या फिर human figures and all, जो थोड़े basic चीजें होती हैं, just figure that out. Because obviously skill level बहुत improve इतना exponentially नहीं होगा because you have less time. But you can really focus on coming up with lateral ideas कि जो different है, out of the box है, ठीक है. And even Atharv talked about the mindset and all, right? Eventually, you can also attend some of our sessions and all to understand how these toppers actually attempt the questions and all. Talking about that, we are also, having a 31-day crash course in this month. So last month, and eventually if you're watching this video later on, so do watch our, cohorts and all. जिसके अंदर we prepare you for design exams like NID, UCED and all. Eventually, Atharv is one of the mentors. We have more than 4 mentors from NID Ahmedabad itself. We have another mentor from NID Bhopal. We have 5 to 6 mentors from IIT Bombay. So कई सारे mentors हैं from all these top colleges and all. So they end up preparing for this exam and you get to understand कि actually में topper सोचते कैसे हैं, draw कैसे करते हैं and what all tips and tricks they have to share. So you save a lot of time and energy while preparing for these exams and you have someone to talk to as the batches are really small. Yeah. Continuing with the podcast, I guess ये कुछ last चीजें रह गई हैं, ठीक है. First of all, tell us more about NID, कि NID कैसा है, and NID में is it something you imagined and all. And you also said कि rank कम आ गई. तो is there something कि यार जैसे JEE में there is something कि like people say कि all India rank 10 है, and do they actually remember about your rank and they compare कि यार ये आया है तो smart है, या फिर what is this internal thing कि कैसे होते हैं आइडियाज एंड व्हाट एक्सपेक्टेशन से रियलिटी क्या हुआ वहाँ पे, शेयर दैट एक्सपीरियंस विद मी.
तो द रैंक वाला थिंग इट जस्ट लास्टेड 1 वीक. फर्स्ट वीक में ही सिर्फ पीपल केयर अबाउट रैंक्स एंड उसके बाद इट वाज ऑल जस्ट फन वाइब्स एंड इवन द क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क दैट पीपल प्रोड्यूस इट इज नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन देयर रैंक एट ऑल, आई वुड से.
मेक्स सेंस 100%.
ऐसा नहीं है कि AR1 विल हैव द बेस्ट वर्क एंड देन जिसका लास्ट आया that person will not be any good. It's not like that. The environment, it is great. When I came in, I had made sure to have zero expectations about anything, because expectations say ultimately you'll be disappointed, even though there's very slight chance that your expectations will be met 100%. So you're just setting yourself up for disappointment. So one thing I did was not have expectations. But again, obviously ये करने के बाद भी there are a little bit expectations कि how the people will be, right? I thought everyone around me, even the seniors, will be very smart people who will talk about very intellectual things 24/7. It is not like that. People here, they do all kinds of stuff. They're just like different other people from what I have met before.
Makes sense.
Obviously, when it comes to work, the mentality is a little bit different. But definitely ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम कुछ other worldly लोग हैं. They're just normal people trying to figure out life as well. तो ऐसा लगता है कि when you're in your first year, you think that these second, third, fourth years have figured out life and they know what they are doing. Trust me, they don't. Even Devansh doesn't know what he's going to do tomorrow. Even I don't know what I'm going to do. So we're all in the same boat. Even if you are preparing for an NID, even if you have cracked an NID, it doesn't really matter that much.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Eventually, like काफी लोग है ना, दे ग्लोरीफाई कि यार IITs ऐसे होते होंगे या फिर NITs ऐसे होंगे। एग्जैक्टली ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। देयर जस्ट हर जगह गॉसिप्स होंगी, हर जगह बैंटर होगा, हर जगह लड़ाई होंगी, हर जगह मजे होंगे। एंड इवन द ओनली डिफरेंस इज कि उनका माइंडसेट, जैसे यू टॉक्ड अबाउट वर्क एंड ऑल, तो माय पर्सनल जो मैंने टेक अवे देखा है, द पीपल फ्रॉम NID आर वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड इन देयर अप्रोच। दे आर वेरी प्रोफेशनल इन दैट वे कि यार उनको दे एक्चुअली डिसिप्लिन एंड हार्ड वर्क is somewhat taught in NID या फिर जो भी है। I've seen at the end of the day qualifying this exam, and that filter out a lot of people too. So there must be there obviously there are rotten apples in every basket. But when we talk about in general, तो मैंने तो ये देखा है कि like they're very structured, and in comparison to other colleges, NIDs थोड़ा सा different तो होता है। They talk about their discipline in their approach, and वो कभी रशियन नहीं करते। They're not running after the results. They're also enjoying the process, also emphasizing on the process. So which is very important and very good when you are a designer, having that patience and practice. So that is my insight I had about NIDs. Other than that, what all fest do you have? या फिर क्या fun activity होती है NID? या फिर have you ever participating in any of these? या फिर tell me something of कोई friend ने कुछ करा हो crazy something?
Yeah, there are things obviously I cannot share, but there's something called Monsoon Fiesta, MF यहाँ पे होता है during the month, मतलब मानसून के दौरान। तो it is in the first semester, like 2 सेमेस्टर होता है, उसमें से जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर होता है उसमें ये होता है, इट्स बिटवीन विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंडस्ट्रियल डिज़ाइन। तो इंडस्ट्रियल डिज़ाइन के सारे स्टूडेंट्स become one team, like product design, ceramic, textile, all of these people, they are one team. And animation, graphics, exhibition design, all of these are on the VC team, which is visual communication. And then there are different things, like there's one opening ceremony for MF जिसमें dance होता है, there's a mascot, there's logos, there's themes to that, that is given to each team. There's foundation also, so there's 3 teams: foundation, ID and VC. So there's also installation making, as in we go around campus, collect scrap that we find, and we make huge installations. There's also promo wars, where we make video promos, either like glorifying our team or just making fun of other teams, or it can be just anything related to the festival itself. तो even all these there's also dance and all of that happening. तो वही MF में भी there's also poster wars. So this entire event it is very design focus. इसमें you'll learn a lot if you participate. Obviously it is very hectic with the academics, but it's definitely worth it to participate, because उसमें जो learnings you will do, that will be one of the best learnings about teamwork, about how to manage in high stress situations, about creating actual tangible results. So it's like basic, like mini projects that you will do throughout your uh, stay at NID. तो that is cool. Again, festivals वगैरह होते हैं, गणपति गणेश चतुर्थी होता है, then Onam, Pongal. Obviously there's a lot of cultural festivals as well. So that is great. That's a very good aspect of NID कि there's culturals happening. Even culturals के लिए they have their own identity for that year. तो हर year की theme रहती है, तो उसका भी promo बनता है। तो animation students, film video communication students, they contribute a lot in this, and it's a great learning opportunity. So it's a nice
Yes.
fusion of design and learning and having fun. So yeah.
Adding to that, like, what do you think कि तुम्हारी like personal journey में how much NID has contributed as a designer, and how far even थोड़ा सा breakdown भी कर सकते हैं semester wise, क्या क्या हुआ and क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा like yeah.
Cool. So in NID, it is a 4-year program for bachelors. I'm talking about. I'm in the bachelor's program. First year is your foundation year, which is for a lot of people the hardest year. And then the second year, may you on your basis on your marks and your preference list, of the disciplines is the specialization, you will be allotted that. So there are different specializations. You can go on the NID website and look it up. I'll just quickly tell what all there are. So there's 3 departments. One is industrial design, there's visual communication, and there's textile. Textile is also part of industrial design, but in the website it is mentioned as a different category. So textile design, product design, textile product, ceramic and glass design, फर्नीचर एंड इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन, ठीक है, ये सब हो गए इंडस्ट्रियल डिज़ाइन के. देन देयर इज विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन के 4, विच इज़ एनिमेशन फिल्म डिज़ाइन, फिल्म एंड वीडियो कम्युनिकेशन, विच इज़ FVC, एग्जीबिशन डिज़ाइन एंड ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन. तो देर आर these 8 disciplines, and on the basis of your first year ke marks you will be allotted, and also your preference list, you will be allotted your disciplines. So first year is hardest because it teaches you, come from a non-design learning background, and this is your first time actually formally learning design, and it being the first priority, right? So uski wajah se for a lot of people it is hard. You have to do a lot of work and spend a lot of nights, all-nighters बहुत सारे pull करने पड़ते हैं. Obviously when I first came in I was like ये सब मैं नहीं करूँगा, I'll finish my work during class. ऐसा नहीं होता. You have to do that, and it is part of the process. While you are doing it, it is horrible. You hate it, you hate the experience, but looking back at it, it is it teaches you a lot in terms of work ethic, in terms of just amount of effort that you'll have to put. कि अभी जब हम second year में हैं, there's less compulsion on attendance, and there's also less amount of work that we have to do. But because we have gone through that 1 year of foundation, we feel this internal urge to do more always. So we always have these side projects that we keep doing, and yeah, I think it's great.
Makes sense.
First year, again, each year is divided into 2 semesters, और there's no written exams. There's one jury. ठीक है, तो हर सेम के एंड में जूरी होती है. जूरी इज बेसिकली whatever you have learned, whatever assignments you have done in that semester, you will place on this board and this table, right? And then there will be a jury panel, meaning there will be faculty members and even outside designers who will come in to see their work. 3-4, usually there's 3 people, and you'll tell them your learnings, what you have done over this entire semester. They will ask you questions about it, and yeah, there's just a review session, I guess, basically just of the overall journey. Obviously assignment के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे वो, that will happen while you are taking the courses, but this jury is just for overall to show what you have learned in that semester. And then उसके grades पे obviously first and second jury के grades पे तुम्हारा second year का discipline ये होता है.
As Athar, you said कि you felt कि you won't be able to qualify prelims. तो ऐसा क्या हुआ था उस दिन? Because that might happen to our students too. So what do you think? What can be changed as what happened? Tell us more about it.
Yes, great. उसमें मैं I'll give a tip also that a lot of aspirants can refer to. It is basically मैं मतलब सब लोग बोलते थे कि NID is unpredictable, NID is unpredictable, and it is preached a lot, but उस पे preparation में there is a set strategy in the way you give your exam. तो क्या हुआ कि मैंने जब एग्ज़ाम दिया था उसके पहले पार्ट बी के क्वेश्चंस कम आते थे, राइट? बट जब मैंने दिया प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस बोथ, आई थिंक द अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वाज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 2 to 3. तो जो मेरा टाइम मैनेजमेंट टेम्पलेट मैंने बनाया था दिमाग में वो थोड़ा हिल गया, राइट? कि आई वाज एंटिसिपेटिंग कि ठीक है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऐसा रहेगा, उसके लिए 20 मिनट, बट व्हेन आई रेड द पेपर आई हैड टू अलॉट लेस टाइम टू ईच क्वेश्चन. So one tip I would give to everyone is when you're doing your mocks, make sure you don't repeat the same strategy from one mock to the other. Meaning, you don't, if you're spending, let's say, a set amount of time, 35 minutes on one question, and you're getting a certain result. On the next mock, try to change that up. Maybe ideate for 20 minutes and then just draw for 20 minutes, or ideate for 5 minutes and then draw for the rest of the time. तो ये सब changes. And even in the medium, try pencil colors, try don't try Copics, try pencil colors, try different pencils. You can also try fine liner. So even with your materials, you should try a lot. So what ended up happening was I took a lot of different coloring mediums to my exam, prelims and mains both. But then I just ended up using my pencil and my ballpoint pen, and I just used the ballpoint pen to write my name. That's it. But the entire prelims and mains मैंने सिर्फ पेंसिल से दिया है. I had not done any fine liner, any line work, any coloring. कुछ नहीं किया था. Maybe I tried to attempt little bit of coloring in one product design question, but that's it. तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कलरिंग भी करना चाहिए एंड उसको अच्छे से फाइन लाइनर से माइक्रोन से रेंडर करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. द एग्जाम इज जस्ट अ मीडियम फॉर यू टू कम्युनिकेट योर आइडियाज. दैट्स इट. तो ट्रीट इट लाइक दैट एंड या जस्ट ट्राई डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन योर मॉक्स. तो आई हैड ट्राइड, मतलब मैंने आई थिंक 5-6 मॉक्स दिए थे, एंड इन द 5 मॉक्स आई हैड द सेम approach and I got bored. So last mock mein I was like, okay, I'll just try this one with just pencil, just to see. And I'm very fortunate that I did that, because usse jo mere learnings aaye wo directly I applied it in the final exam. So aisa I would say you guys should look into that. But yeah, बहुत stressful situation रहता है when on the day of exam. It is obviously तुम्हारा पूरा 6 महीना 2 साल का preparation and into this 1-3 hour session that will decide what will you'll do for the rest of 4 years or 1 year if you're taking a drop. So obviously very high stress situation, but उसमें भी I would say make sure you get good sleep and make sure you have your breakfast. Don't have anything too spicy or oily, तो acidity नहीं होगा. You'll be able to think clearly, right? All these things, even before you enter the exam hall, don't look at other people. They might look very confident, right? And they might have different mediums with them. उस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान मत दो. You might want to listen to some good music, some calming music. If you like any motivational podcasts or clips that really help you to come in that mindset, you can also use that. मैंने वो किया था. I was standing outside the exam gate with my phone and my headphones and I was watching videos. So that is definitely there.
Nice, great.
Yeah.
What about your studio test? कैसा गया था वो? How was the day? What do you remember about it?
Yeah, that is also another thing. कि I was very confident कि मेरा prelims में अच्छे marks आ जाएंगे, because I had spent a lot of time improving my drawing and my addition skill, but I was really bad with materials. कि मेरे को लगा था कि I should score really well in prelims so that मेरा mains में थोड़ा कम मिल गया तो भी मेरा हो जाएगा selection, right? But in our case, mains में there was just one material handling question. Rest of all of it was thinking based, and there were current affair questions, and there were just questions that tested your ability to think, as in like your ability to have opinions on either social issues or just problems in general. So there was the Uttarakhand tunnel collapse that happened during that time, and obviously a very average NID preparer, person who's preparing for NID, he would just look at that fact, memorize what date it happened on, how many people were injured, and just let that be. But someone who actually deserves to get in, I would say, would look at that fact and understand कि ये क्यों हुआ. Ask these questions कि ये क्यों हुआ, what was the rescue method like, right? So all of these questions that will appear in your head, you'll form opinions about that as well. Ki, okay, if they had done something else, would the results have been different? What would the life of that person during those 7-8 days, whatever they were stuck, would have? So these thoughts, if you have while you're just reading these facts, when you come in the exam hall and you're faced with a question कि तुमको you have to write about how, if you were in that situation, what you would do, or if you were in the rescue team, what you would do, it will be much easier for you because you already have thought about it. So a big part of even part A preparation is not learning all these facts. NID very rarely asks that, right? It's more of these observations and opinions that you make on that journey of actually trying to understand these problems. Even the problem of homelessness and begging, kids begging on the streets, people have opinions about it, but very few people, think about logical solutions on how can it be handled. तो वो भी पार्ट हमारे इसमें आया था, मेंस में देयर वाज अ सिमिलर क्वेश्चन, राइट? तो आई थिंक दैट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
क्या इस तरीके की डिस्कशन डज दिस हैपन इन एनआईडी टू, लाइक talking about certain issues and all, and even like as a lot of people were very excited कि यार NID में होता क्या है, like तो like what are the usual assignments and किन चीज़ों पे तुम काम कर रहे होते हो, just tell me some interesting thing your professor asked you to do. As in मतलब जैसे कोई assignment होता है ना, जैसे I remember at a time in DTU there was an class जिसमें we all were blindfolded, ठीक है, and we have to then think of any solution for जो वो लोग blind होते हैं, तो we tried to we did that, पूरी class was blindfolded for another 15 to 18 minutes, and we were trying to do all the basic tasks like using our bags, trying to eat, walking, communicating, and like bahar jana and all. So everyone had a different input, okay? And now everyone have experienced that. So that was a really good exercise to make them go through. Or we build so many good solution on building the ideas of one another. So something like this, because I remember this assignment, जब हमने class में activity करी, anything something like that you remember in your time कि यार ऐसा कुछ different हुआ, crazy हुआ, that या फिर even the mindset of people जो यहाँ पे हैं, like is there anything you want to share about that?
So definitely before courses start, there is this email sent. It's called a course abstract. उसमें course का नाम, उसमें course में क्या सिखाएंगे, ये सब होता है. And some of the things you've already learned, as in I had spent a lot of time learning composition. तो मेरे को लगा था कि there will be a set method in which they will teach. But when we actually came to class, it was completely opposite. Right? We had to use very abstract and basic shapes. Lines or dots को हमको एक sheet पे arrange करके we had to make compositions out of that. Right? So the learnings that we do here, it will not be discipline specific in your foundation year. It will be just overall the fundamental of that principle. So तुम्हारा first year will go into just learning these fundamentals. I remember there was this course in our second semester called EP, Environmental Perception. उसमें we had to go outside the city and sketch places, observe different things. Right? There was no one objective to it कि एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना है या ये बनाना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It was just to make observations and improve your research ability. तो उसके सेकेंड वीक में हम एक गांव में गए थे, सातून करके है, गुजरात में ही है. इट इज़ इन पाटन डिस्ट्रिक्ट, सो इट्स लाइक 3-4 आवर्स अवे फ्रॉम NID. तो वहाँ पे हम जाके रहे थे गांव में, वहाँ पे लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट किया. इट वाज प्रॉब्ली द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव हैड इन माय लाइफ. वी मेड ग्रेट मेमोरीज देयर. हम क्लास छोड़ के स्विमिंग करने जाते थे गांव में with गांव के बच्चे. It was really cool. And like the observations that you have when you are in their house, like we used to spend the entire day in their house. We would see what they are doing. पहले 2-3 दिन everyone is shy कि मतलब they're not opening up that much, but after 3rd 4th day you just become a fly on the wall. They just stop looking at you at a point. They'll just start living their day, and usme you will find these really cool observations that you might note down, you might sketch. That will help a lot. Like even just that process of how to observe when you're actually in a position where you have to design a product. You can't just go and ask 10 questions from a survey and hope that that will help you design the question, right?
Makes sense.
Surveys are notorious for that, ki people, you know, end up lying a lot in their surveys, but they don't lie when they're actually doing the thing. So it's important
Exactly.
to be a fly on the wall and observe these small details. So that's what this course teaches us. It sounds like it's a very small element कि सिर्फ research के लिए एक पूरा course दे दिया, but it is a very important aspect, no matter what discipline of design you're learning.
Yeah, that was actually an amazing, you know, exercise to do. And बहुत crazy. And even talking about you, I also gained a lot more clarity about NID and all. And even I think कि जिन लोगों ने भी episode पूरा end तक देखा होगा are now motivated and, you know, rejuvenated कि यार अब तो पहुंचना है इधर and I have to give my best. And even कई सारे misconceptions clear हुए होंगे about NID, their preparation and exam के दिन कुछ भी हो सकता है. Even in our mocks we try कि हम हर एक, you know, NID का जो, you know, mock है is different. Pattern भी हम change करते हैं multiple things and all. जिससे कि यू नो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि यार कुछ भी हो सकता है, इट्स वेरी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. तो डिजाइन एग्जाम्स आर वेरी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. इवेंचुअली थैंक्स अतर, इट वाज एन अमेजिंग, यू नो, अ पॉडकास्ट. वैसे तो पहली बार हम पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं. वी आर यूज्ड टू, यू नो, सेशंस एंड ऑल. एंड आई ऑल्सो गॉट टू नो अबाउट द साइड ऑफ अथर जो फिलोसफिकल है, यू नो, शायरी भी है उसमें. And it also got a lot of insights and all. तुम लोग उसके as a junior join करो and you know you end up learning from him a lot as well as the other mentors and all. I wish you all the best and thanks a lot coming here and yeah.
Thank
And जो लोग continuously connect में रहना चाहते हैं Nathar when other mentors from NID Amdar, definitely feel free to join our courses from divergentclasses.com. And yeah, all the best. Feel free to join our WhatsApp, Discord and Telegram communities. And thanks for joining, Nathar.
Thank you
See
so
you
much.
next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.